guys, it's Tanoa. Welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how I did this super cute summery hairstyle. It lasted me a good 2 weeks, which is always a plus. So here I am just showing you how I parted my hair. I decided to do it off camera to save some time. My hair is also freshly washed and moisturized. I added oil on the rubber bands to prevent them from snagging my hair or causing any breakage. And now, starting on the left side of my head, I'm adding some Shine and Jam on the base to get it nice and sleek before adding the rubber bands. Also, you'll see me adding 2 rubber bands. Girl, you don't need to, just add 1. I was being extra. And before crossing over and connecting each banded section, I added some gel and twisted them to make sure they were nice and sleek and that there weren't any flyaways as I was twisting them up. And this is how it should look when you're done crossing over. And finally, for the ends, I just added some moisturizer and some more gel to twist them up to get that definition going. Repeat on the other side and then move on to the middle. Girl, I was tired. This took a good little minute. But this is how it should look when you're all done with the front. And now, moving on to the back, I'm just doing some simple 2-strand twists with the same products, the moisturizing cream and the gel. And my hair is all white because I used a lot of product. I'm very heavy-handed. You do not need to be using as much products that I used, okay? Yeah, I just have a problem with that, okay? Here I am just showing y'all the back. Girl, I did not need to do that. It does not look good at all, but it's part of the process. Now, 2 days later, and my hair is finally dry after using all them products. I added some oil to my hands to try to prevent any frizz, and then I started taking out the twist really gently. And hold on, y'all see that definition? Hold on, I'm about to show y'all. Real quick right here. Look, I know y'all see that definition. Yes, ma'am. Okay. I'm just adding some more oil to my hands to begin the separation process, and make sure y'all be separating y'all hair because it makes a difference. It makes a difference. I don't like my hair flat, so I just kept separating to try to get it as big as I can on the first day. And right here, you see how the other side is just not separated and it just looks flat? Yeah, that's what I be trying to limit um, when I separate my hair. I want my hair to be as big as I can get it without causing too much frizz, especially on the first day. Now, time for the reveal. And oh, yeah, I did that. I did that. I absolutely loved this hairstyle. It came out super cute. And I also added some hair accessories in the front to give it a little bit more pizzazz. And yeah, this hairstyle was really cute, and I would definitely do it again. But anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll catch y'all in my next video. Bye!